Hey friends, it's Teresa from Star Stylist Homestead again. This is going to be a short video. I have to share with some pictures with you guys. Me and my girlfriend that came and brought me my half a cow. You know the whole emergency alert at 2:22 today. This is what came out of that. And might I add, she literally has a pet pig. A little miniature runt, whatever they're called, that sleeps with her. And you're going to see the picture here. Anyway, we're just messing around. We went and got a pedicure, came home and decided to do this. Her fiance sent a picture that you're going to see of her little pig to go along with our pictures. Here you go. You guys have a great night, and I hope you get a nice little laugh out of this. I'll see you soon. Bye.